everybody! I got a comment on my Texas Roadhouse Caesar salad recipe video asking if I could make a video on the sweet and sour dressing recipe that I used in it, so here I am. The reason I made it homemade is because I couldn't find it in store anywhere and neither could the person that commented, so let me just show you how to make it. The ingredients you're going to need are vegetable oil, white sugar, distilled white vinegar, finely diced onion, some salt, ground mustard, and celery seed. We're going to start with 1 cup of vegetable oil and put it in a large bowl. Next, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Now we're going to be adding in 1/3 of a cup of distilled white vinegar. Next, you're going to want to finely chop an onion until you get 1/4 of a cup and add that in. Next, we're going to add in 3/4 a teaspoon of ground mustard. Next, we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed. And lastly, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt to the bowl. And now all you have to do is whisk everything together or use an immersion blender until everything's combined. When everything's combined, it should look something like this, and then you're all done. As I was saying earlier, this is an ingredient used in the Texas Roadhouse Caesar salad dressing recipe that I did a video on. If you'd like to see that video, I'll link it in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye!